Take a look at what you see on the screen. Two tabs, two pages are side by side on my Chrome browser, you can see. So this is what we call split screen on Chrome browser. Then in this video, I'll walk you through the processes on how to do that. So open your Google Chrome browser on your device, come to the search bar here, type in Chrome // then hit the enter button. You have yourself at the tons of information here. So here type in split. Now it comes up like this. The first one's enable split view link opening shortcut. So click on this button where you see default, then click on enable. Once you click on enable, you're going to see this button here, then click on relaunch. So once you click on relaunch, it comes out like this. Now I want to match what you see here, this website and this page together. Now here, right click on it, then click on this that says add to the split view. So you can see now you've added the two screens together here. So that is the process, guys, on how to enable split screen on Chrome browser on your laptop. If you enjoyed this tip, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.